To install AutoCAD software, we should have a serial number. We can get a free serial number from Autodesk website in just 4 steps. I will explain everything in detail. Please stay with me till the end. From your laptop, go to your web browser. In one tab, open Autodesk website. And in another tab, open your Gmail account. In Autodesk website, first step we need to create an account. To create an account, just click on sign in and select create account. Specify the first name and email account. Now our account is created. Next step, we need to verify our account. To verify an account, we need to go for account settings. And then go to security settings. Then click on verify email. After clicking this, Autodesk will send us a mail to our given Gmail account. Then open an account and click on verify email. Now our Autodesk account is successfully verified. To complete the third step, we need to start downloading a software. To download a software, go to Autodesk website and click on free trials. And select AutoCAD. Then click on download free trial. Select which product you want to download and then click on next. Then select purpose of downloading software and click on go to education community. Here select complete profile. Again it will ask us sign in. Now select your location and role of education and your date of birth. Here select your education institute. Select area of study and select the period of study. Fourth step is selecting which version of software you want to download, selecting a operating system of your computer, select the language. And this is our serial number and product key for the selected product. The same will be mailed by Autodesk to our given Gmail account. This is our serial number and product key. Thank you for watching till the end. Still you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe the channel and don't forget to click on bell icon to get a best information about AutoCAD. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.